In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete messages on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok application and there hit at Inbox and then get into DMs by tapping up on that airplane icon. There would be the list of all your DMs. You can open up some conversation and here you can delete. There I got a message that I sent to that person. I can hold down on that specific message. It gives us that options, and here in order to delete the message I can just hit at that trash icon and I have just deleted that message. Also, you can delete the whole conversation. For that, just go to your DMs, to the list of your conversation, find a conversation that you want to delete, then swipe left on that conversation and next hit at delete and then hit at confirm. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.